Hi students, welcome to KSM classes. Today we will discuss parabola. It is also one of the important topics from the geometry where you will find a few questions in advanced as well as mains also. I will deal with the first problem. If the point P alpha plus 2 comma alpha square by 3 lies inside the triangle formed by the straight line 5x minus 3y plus 40 equal to 0, x-axis and y-axis, then find the value of alpha. Now let us look into the solution here. We were given a point P alpha plus 2 comma alpha square by 3. Let us consider x is equal to alpha plus 2 and y equal to alpha square by 3. So here alpha equal to x minus 2. So x minus 2 whole square is alpha square. Alpha square is 3y. So this is a parabola whose vertex is at 2 comma 0 and whose axis parallel to axis or whose axis x is equal to 2. So let us have a diagram here. Let us consider this to be the vertex A 2 comma 0. So the parabola will be like this. This is the line x is equal to 2. This is the line x is equal to which will behave as the axis of the parabola. Now we will consider the line 5x minus 3y plus 40 equal to 0. The line is given as 5x minus 3y plus 40 is equal to 0. In this line, let us find out the intercepts. Put y equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 8. Put x is equal to 0. Y equal to 40 by 3. So it cuts the axis at minus x-axis at minus 8 comma 0, y-axis at 0 comma 40 by 3. Let us consider this point to be B minus 8 comma 0 and it will cut the y-axis at C 0 comma 40 by 3. This is the point of intersection of the curve and the line given. Now our point P lies inside the triangle on the parabola. So somewhere here, P will be somewhere here, whose coordinates are alpha plus 2 comma alpha square by 3 which lies on the parabola. Now let us find out the point Q also. So the point Q is nothing but the point of intersection of the curve and the parabola, solving these two equations. From 1 and 2, x minus 2 whole square equal to 3y. 3y equal to 5x plus 40 from 2. So this is x square minus 4x minus 5x minus 9x plus 4 minus 36 is equal to 0. And this is equal to x minus 12 into x plus 3 equal to 0. X is equal to 12 or minus 3. From the figure it is clear that the Q is in the second quadrant. So let us consider x is equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 implies y equal to minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 whole square 25 minus 5 whole square 25 by 3 y equal to 25 by 3. Okay. So now this is now the point Q is equal to this point Q equal to minus 3 comma 25 by 3. In the curve put x is equal to 0. That means let us find out this point R also. So put x is equal to 0 in 1. Put x equal to 0 in 1. So this is 4 by 3. Y equal to 4 by 3. So it will cut the parabola will cut the y-axis 0 comma 4 by 3. Therefore the point P is in between Q and R on the parabola. Its x coordinate is minus 3 and this is 0, this is alpha plus 2. From the from the figure, minus 3 less than alpha plus 2 less than 0 implies minus 5 less than alpha less than minus 2 is the solution. These are the limits of alpha. The second problem is, let the curve C be the mirror image of the parabola y square equal 4x with respect to x plus y plus 4 equal 0. If A and B are points of intersection of C with the line y equal minus 5, then the distance between A and B is. This is a question asked in IIT JEE Advanced in 2015. Here it is given that C is the mirror image of the parabola y square equal 4x. For example, let us have a diagram. This is the parabola y square equal to 4x. It is in the form of y square equal to 4ax, where a equal to 1. Its vertex is a 0, 0, and the focus is 1, 0. That is a, 0. A is 1. Now, x plus y plus 4 equal to 0 is a straight line given to us. It will be like this. This will be the line x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Now here we are asked to find out the image of this curve with respect to this line. So let us find out the image of A with respect to this line. Now let P h comma k be the image of A with respect to x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. It implies h minus 0 by 1 is equal to k minus 0 by 1 equal to minus 2 into 0 plus 0 plus 4 by 2. 1 square plus 1 square. This is the formula for the image. H minus x1 by a equal to k minus y1 by b equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square to b square. This will be cancelled. This will be minus 4. So h comma k is equal to minus 4 comma minus 4 will be the point which is the image of the point. Now we will consider, let Q R comma S be the image of S 1 comma 0 with respect to the line L. Let us call this as the line L with respect to L. Implies R minus 0 by 1 is equal to R minus 1 by 1 is equal to S minus 0 by 1 equal to minus 2 into 1 plus 0 plus 4 by 2, and this 2 will get cancelled. This is minus 5. It implies that Q is equal to minus 5, so minus 4, and this is a minus 5. This will be minus 5. So this is the Q. Now the image of the A, this is a something here, minus 4 comma minus 4, somewhere here. You can consider this to be point P, minus 4 comma minus 4. This will be Q, minus 4 comma minus 5. So now here, this P will be the vertex of the image curve, which is the image of this curve with respect to this. This Q will be the focus of the image of this curve. That means the image of this curve with respect to this line is again a parabola. It being vertex minus 4 comma minus 4, and the focus is minus 4 comma minus 5. So it is below this point, therefore the parabola will be like this. this will be the parabola. This is the image curve. Now this is the line and this is the point. This is the point q minus 4 comma minus 5. This is the focus. Now this is the focus. It is the line y equal to minus 5. It is the line y equal to minus 5. Now here this new curve having P as the vertex and Q as the focus. So the curve C is x minus 4 whole square, x plus 4 whole square is equal to, this distance is A, the distance between the focus and the vertex, A is equal to 1. 4A into, 4A means A equal to 1, 4 into y plus 4. But the concavity being downwards, it can be taken as minus 4. So x plus 4 whole square equal to minus 4 into y plus 4 is the parabola. Now here, this is the point A and this is the point B. Y equal to minus 5, this line is x is equal to minus 4. This is a line parallel to axis, this is a line parallel to x-axis. These two are perpendicular. Therefore, this line is perpendicular to the axis and passing to the focus. Therefore, AB is the lattice rectum of C. Therefore, implies AB is equal to 4A, where A equal to 1. So this is 4. So the length of the AB, the distance between AB is 4.